Hello, you traded nerds. How are y'all? Hope everybody is doing well and nobody's trading today. Look at this 2,200 contracts. Everybody's ready for Thanksgiving, but the market still move, right? We'll get some interesting movements because of light volume. So, anybody that does put some volume in can actually move this market when we're in these times. So, it's really interesting. Hey, I was going to show y'all if you want my Black Friday special. I've already a couple of people have taken advantage of it already. You get 7 one-on-one coaching sessions with me, Sweet Bobby. It's a Black Friday special. All you got to do is, well, what do you have to do? Where's the rest of the thing that shows you the? Oh no, there it is. I got a link right here. HTTPS. I'll put this down in the thing so y'all can get it. Square link UMP. Just pause the video if you need to once we record this, and go to that link. Sign up. 7 one-on-one coaching sessions will develop your written trading plan, help you overcome fear, greed, and envy, which are the 3 big emotions that play with us. We'll set up your spreadsheet, make sure you're all good there, and we will personalize your mentoring to whatever you want to do. And you don't have to do the 1-1-2 or the 1-1 whatever. We'll do whatever trade you want to do. When James went through the mentoring sessions, we did credit spreads, so we can do anything. I don't have to do just 1-1-2. So whatever y'all want to do, we can work on. I know pretty much. I wouldn't say I know everything, but I know a lot of the trades out there. Strangles, straddles, butterflies, broken wing butterflies, whatever you want to do. We can develop a program for you. So welcome in. The market's down 0.27%. VIX doesn't look like VIX went up, does it? Looks like VIX may have went down or about the same as it was yesterday. So it's 13. So let's look at our big green monster. Now, remember yesterday we said we could go up to our target of 45.84, but my thought process was that we'll probably go down, visit the point of control, and probably fill this gap at some point before going up here. So I don't know. We may go there first. We'll see. But I still think we have a visit right down here to the 44.50, 44.75 number. So we'll see. Let's look at the linear regression. Linear regression, still volume going down, right, into this holiday weekend, and things are just kind of choppy. We do expect a rollover at some point. Not sure when that's going to come. Let's go look at our big old count over here, our mega account. See how it's looking. I always like looking at this. Look at that, y'all. Profit all the way to the moon and back. Big profits to the downside. 2, nearly 3 standard deviations down. I mean, what's not to like there? Now, this looks a lot different than my other account here, right? Where, we don't have as much protection. But remember, we were doing the 1-2-1s rather than the 1-1-2. So the 1-1-2 to me, just like Victor, we just kind of abandoned it because I just like the 1-1-2s better. So whether you're doing it in 60-day expiration or 120 expiration, really doesn't matter to me. But we're doing them in the long term, 120 days. Seems fine. And I don't know. Just look at this again, though. Look at this. This is what we're looking for. Yes, that is a nice risk profile. All right. So let's do our 2 little counts today and get y'all on y'all's merry way. So let's see here. We got the regular IRA. Let's see how it's doing today. Regular IRA. I can remember which count it is. This one. And let's see here. There's my SPY beta weighting. Why does it take my beta weighting off? It should never do that. All right, so monitor. Let's see here. Y'all be quiet. Daddy's in a session. 92,809. 92,810 for all intents and purposes. 92,810. Let's put that in. 92,810. Oh, yeah. 92,810. Fire up the band, Rico.
Well, we're moving on now. Moving on up to the side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Yes, hallelujah. All right. So, Beth, get your kids. All right. So, we are at 46 deltas. Say 47.54. 47.54. Oh, wow, that looks good. 47.54. Good. Our theta went up a lot, and our VIX is at 13. So our buying power usage has got to be anemic. 23,691. 23. Don't forget it's T-bill Tuesday. We'll say 23,700. Wow, 25%. But we're a little soft here. I think I'm going to put on a little trade here, y'all. I think that's what the play is. Or my theta's a little low. I got to keep it up. So let's do a trade. And probably need to do 2 contracts, 2 tranches, so that I can, and that's been the problem with this account. I just hadn't kept enough theta in the tank. And that's why my performance is a little less than my regular margin account. So let's go out closest to that 120 days. So we got this 115 days here. And let's go to the 5% probability being in the money. So that's in this area here. Let's go here. 1450s. If we can go 1475, and let's do 4 of these. So we're doing 2 tranches, right? Bill me, baby. That's it. All right, 115 days, 3,800s, 1475. And if I don't put them in here, I just won't, let me do it. Yeah, 1475. 14.75 was the price. Did I do that in the micros or the E-minis?
Micros.
Okay, good. I finally did it right. Let's do. Oh, why I got to do that every time. All right, so let's do macros. And we're going to do 4. We're going to do 2 put debit spreads. So we're going to call this naked put 98. We'll call that PDS 98. And then we did the 3,800s, I believe. Puts naked 115 days, 11, 21, 23. There we go. Brought in $289. Now let's go put our put debit spread in. Yep, that was 38. So 115 days, we go to the 25 delta, 23, 24, something like this. So let's see. Let's try the 4350, 4300, 4350. Don't want to pay over $10 for this 50 wide stretch. So there's 775. Let's go up a little bit, see if we can get big filled. Yes, for 785. Or was it 790? 4350, 4400. What did it go for? 785. Let's put that in. Oh, I need to do 2 contracts of that, though. Sorry, create duplicate order. Let's do another one. There we go. So we got 2 of those in. So let's go put that in. 785. 785. All right, so we'll get the 4350, 4300 puts, debit spread, 115, 11, 21, 23. Yeah, beautiful. And then don't forget, one thing that we always forget, you don't do it, but put them in your groups too, right? So let's show our groups. And then those should be the unallocated stuff. Oh boy, yeah, we got all these, let's see, T-bills. And then I'm liking bills better than T-bills, y'all. I tell you, I like that BIL. Y'all like it? So let's see what we got here. We got a put debit spread here. Group put debit spread. We got a naked puts here. And then we got some more stuff. We got a put debit spread. And another put debit spread. And then we got naked puts. There we go. Beautiful. All right. Now let's take our groups off and let's look at our other account. Our Roth IRA. Here it is. So over here now we are at 29,454. Y'all, I remember when we were 25,000 in this account. 29,454. 29,454. Fire up the band, Rico.
Well, we're moving on now to the east side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
All right, we're underperforming the market a little bit. No big deal. Market's up 13.37% in the same time frame we've been trading this account. We're up 12.8%. But remember, we're going to really outperform the market in bear markets. That's what it's all about. So let's see, here we go. Our Greeks and ratios are 10 and 16. 10 and 16. I don't like that. 10, 16. 13 is the VIX. And then our buying power usage is a measly $7,800. Okay. So low here, high on our buying power. That means to me is screaming put on a trade. So in this one, it's a smaller account. So let's only do one thing. So let's do one tranche. So let's go back to this account. We'll go to filled orders. We'll go to this put debit spread. Create duplicate order. And here, and make sure we put it in the 2030 account. Beautiful. Got filled at 780, I think. And then let's go back to the regular IRA. And let's go and find this one and do a create duplicate order. But we got to change the contracts to 2 since we're only doing, there we go. 1475. Let's see if we can get filled for 1475. There we go. 1475. So let's see. Oh crap, I put it in the wrong account. Dang it. Dang it. Let me get out of it. Probably have to pay up to 15 to get out. Turn it. I hate when I make mistakes. All right, now let's go back. I've been making a lot of mistakes lately. Have y'all noticed that? A lot of stuff is just settling in. Here we go. So we're going to do 2 of those. Create duplicate. And the problem is I had it in the wrong account, right? So 1475, put it in the 2030 account.
Change it.
Didn't I do it?
No, I think it's right.
I hope so. Yeah, because we're in the 2030. So let's see. I got those filled at 1475 and 780. All right. So the best of these, when you got multiple counts, is just to go and copy that crap, right? So let's go into the trades that we did today. And let's just copy this garbage right here. Yep. Copy. And then we'll paste it into the other one. Then we got to do some T-bill stuff, y'all. So the Control V. And then 1475 on this. And 780 on this. Then we got to change the number of contracts. So we did 2 and 1. And 1. 1475, 780. Make sure that was right again. 1475 and 780. That's it. All right. Don't forget the humongous Black Friday deal. I can only take on 7 students because I've got 3 college classes I'm teaching in the spring. So portfolio management, investments, and problems in corporate finance. So got a lot of classes, so I can only take on 7 people who want the Black Friday special. All right, y'all. Have a wonderful day. I will see y'all tomorrow.